Eba Esquire JP is my name, APC chairman in Cross River State. I'm here with our senior stakeholders led by distinguished Senator Dame Tagiwa, Florence Tagiwa. You are all aware that yesterday the NWC came out of a meeting and against due process for the office of National Woman Leader, which hitherto was occupied by Dr. Mrs. Betta Edu, now was purported to have been zoned to Edo State in absolute disregard to Article 31(5) of the APC Constitution, which is our guiding rules. But in a civilized democracy, aggrieved persons can only channel their grievances through appropriate quarters. And today we have come to the national chairman to inform him of this infraction. We have also written to Mr. President to say that the national woman leader position is commonly shared between Cross River and Akwa Ibom. Edo and Delta presently have an NWC position, which is the National Public Secretary. You cannot take our position and overreach us by over-enriching Edo State. And by the grace of God, the national chairman has assured us to be patient, that this matter will be resolved. Our governor is leaving his holiday and vacation to return back so that we can resolve this issue. We don't want trouble. Cross River State is the only APC state in the entire South-South. We are providing leadership. We don't want trouble. And we use the opportunity to appeal to every Cross Riverian to know that this matter will be resolved amicably. That is the assurance.
A lot of people are saying that you're going too far because you have two ministers on the present cabinet, and there has been a rejig of the zoning formula of the party's executive. How do you react to this?
They are comparing the incomparables. Government position has nothing to do with party position. It is the APC constitution that guides issue of zoning. It is a Nigerian constitution that guides issue of ministerial. Most states in the South-South have had two ministers before. We are only lucky that for the first time, Cross River State has now had two ministers, and we are thankful to Mr. President who found them worthy. But this cannot take the place of our rightful entitlement. As I've explained, you are taking woman leadership from Cross River Akwa Ibom to go and add to Edo Delta that already have public secretary and assistant treasurer and other NWC positions. That is like robbing Peter to pay Paul. And this is a party of equity and justice. And injustice cannot stand. And we trust in the perspicacity of Mr. President. He will not allow this to stand.